Dear student, in previous video we already discussed about unit 1, that is projection of a solid. So in that video we already discussed about definition of solids, okay, and classification of solids, okay. So in this video let us to discuss about second stage type of problems, okay. So the question is that a square prism of 30 sides of square face and height 60 rests with one of its corner on HP such that the axis is inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Two of the base edge containing the corner on which the prism rests make equal inclinations with the HP. Draw the top and front view. So this is the previous question paper, April 2016, and it carries 10 marks. Okay, so the problem is based on square prism. Okay, so the sides of the square prism is 30 okay, and its height is 60 right. Before going to draw, you must imagine what kind of top view position is required to draw on the HP. Okay, so here I would like to show there are two kind of position. This is the one position and another position is this, right. So this is base edge, right, and this is corners, okay, and it is also corners, okay, and it is also base edges, right. So as per the question paper, this is the correct position of a top view. It is because in the question paper, as mentioned clearly, okay, rest with one of its corner on the HP. Okay, so this is the corner when the when this corner is rest on the HP. So this is the correct position to draw the top view of the square prism. Similarly, if in case the base edge is rest on the HP, so this method is correct to draw the top view. I hope you understand, right. So this is the base edge, okay. In the question paper, if in case the base edge is rest on the HP, so this kind of position is required. So as per the question paper, the corner is rest on the HP, so this is the right position to draw the top view of the square prism, okay. Here I am going to draw the XY line. Okay, mark the X, Y, okay, and here I am going to write VP by HP, okay. Above the XY line is nothing but VP, that is vertical position. Below the XY line is nothing but HP, so that is horizontal projection, horizontal plane, right. So here first of all it is required to draw the base of the square prism, okay. The square prism of sides is 30 okay. Here I am going to draw a simple rough line, okay, making a center point, okay. Taking the position at an angle 45 degree, and here 45 degree. Okay, the side of the square prism is 30 mm, 10, 20, 30, right, and so these two angles makes equal inclination. In the question paper clearly mentioned that two of the base edge contain corner on which the prism rests make equal inclination with the HP, right? So similarly here we are going to draw the inclination. The size of the here to here is 30 mm, right? So this is the length of the 30 mm. Here I am mark at one single point, and similarly from here to here, right? So draw the line. Right, and write the points A in bracket A1, okay, in bracket B1, B, C, C1, D, D1. Why I written in bracket? It is because invisible points. Okay, so this is the bracket A1, bracket B1, bracket C1, and bracket D1. All these bracket points are invisible points because in the top view all these points are invisible points, and A, B, C and D are visible points. It is because on the top view all these points are visible. Let us to draw the vertical projection from here to here. Okay, right? So, and as per the question, the height is given, that is 60 mm. So this is the 60 mm, and midpoint line, this is the 60 mm, and from here it is 60 mm. Draw the horizontal line to complete the box. Okay, here I am going to write the name A1 dash, okay, B1 dash is visible point and D1 is invisible point, and C1 dash is visible point. Similarly, A dash, B dash is visible point, D dash is invisible point, C dash is visible points, right? And as per the question, okay, the axis is inclined at 30 degree to HP and parallel to VP. Okay, the two of the base edge containing the corner on which the prism rests to make equal inclination with the HP. So these are the two of the base edge, okay, meets at corner. This corner is on the HP, okay, and let us to draw the axis is inclined. The axis is inclined at 30 degree to HP. Here I am going to mark one point. From this point I am going to draw the 30 degree. Right? This is angle 30 degree, okay, and from this corner I am going to take the distance from here to here, okay. Now I am going to measure the distance from D to C. So approximately it is 2.3. Okay. So here I am going to make it adjustment perpendicular to this line. So here exactly it will meet the line to draw the. So this angle, these two angle should be 90 degree. Okay, draw the straight line, okay, and take the measurement of this two distance. Right, from here to here you can mark it. Okay, and draw the parallel line from here to here. So this line okay, and similarly you have to draw the line. Okay, so the distance of this line is 6 mm. It is because the height is at 60 mm, and draw the perpendicular to this line, parallel to this line. Okay, the same point whatever we written in the bottom square prism and top square prism, here also same I am going to write here. Okay, so this is the A1 dash and this is the B1 dash in bracket D1 dash and this is C1 dash. Okay, and in the top view it is A1 B1 in bracket D1, and it is C1. Okay, and draw the vertical line from the each corner. Okay, so this is the bottom square prism. Similarly, from the top square prism, to draw the vertical from here to here, okay, and similarly draw the horizontal line from the top view, okay, and here also draw the horizontal line, and from this corner draw the horizontal line. Okay, so let us to make the point from top view of the square prism and front view of the second position square prism. This is the A, and this is the A1 dash to meet in this point. So this is the A1, right? Similarly, this is the B, and this is the B. Okay, to meet this point, this is called B1. Similarly, C1 and D1, right? We got the bottom face of the square prism. Okay, similarly we have to draw the upper part of the square prism to the top view. Okay, so A and this is the A. Okay, so it will meet here. So this point is A. Similarly, B to B, right? So this is the B, and this is the C, and this is D. Okay, so in the top view, the AB are in the top view, the AB are visible line and BC are invisible line. It is because the point C is the corner which rests on the HP. Okay, so this base edge of the square prism is invisible line. Okay, and C to D are also invisible line, and D to A is visible line. Okay, similarly in the top view of the square prism, okay, all those base edges are visible line. Okay, so from here to A to B is visible line, B to C is also visible line, C to D is also visible line, and D to A is also visible line. Okay, and A to A is also visible line. Okay, so this is the A to A is visible line, right? And side view D to D, D point is written in bracket, it is invisible point, but in the top view D to D is a visible line. Okay, so this is the D to D. Okay, and in the top view, B1 and B1 to B1 is also visible line. So this is the B1 to B1. Right, so this is the front view of first stage. Okay, this is the front view of a second stage, right? And this is the top view of a first stage. Okay, and this is the top view of a second stage. Okay, so let us see how to show the dimension of the square prism. So this is the square prism of the sides, having a sides 30 mm, right? And this is the height. Okay, height it is 60 mm. Okay, and it is an angle 30 degree to HP. Okay, and whatever it may be, before once the drawing is completed, you should draw the dark line of an object. Okay, in the top view also, and second stage of front view, and second stage of top view. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Thank you.